Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today, we'll be discussing 3 of the most popular methods for resizing multiple columns in Excel, so you can choose which one works best for you. Let's get started. The first method of resizing column width can be useful if you would like to have the column width as small as possible while still being able to see all of the content in the cells. To start, choose the columns whose width you'd like to adjust. Select the first column on the left-hand side of the area, then drag your cursor across the remaining columns to the right. Now, let's place your cursor on the line that separates 2 columns, and it will change into a double arrow. Double-click the left mouse button while the cursor is in this position. And there the columns have been resized. The columns have been adjusted to the narrowest size that still allows all the data in each cell to be seen. They have all been made the same width, so the content is clearly visible. Let's revert to the initial settings and take a look at another method for resizing multiple columns in Excel. If you want to manually adjust the width of a column, this is the best way to do it. To resize the columns, select them as before, then position the cursor on the column's borderline until the double arrow appears. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the columns to the desired width. When you drag the border to the right or left, you'll see a visual representation of the column width in this window. This will give you an idea of how wide the columns will be. Now, let's switch gears and examine the third approach. We'll undo the changes and take a look at how the last method works. If you already know the exact width that these columns should be set to, this is the most efficient way to do it. To adjust the width of the columns, select them as before and right-click on one of them. From the list of options that appear, click on Column Width and enter the desired width for the columns. Enter 10 into the box and press OK. This will make all the columns match the width that you wanted. Congratulations! You have now finished adjusting the column widths. If you're interested in learning more about how to use columns in Excel, check out the video tutorials from Sheet Leveler. They have lots of helpful tips and tricks. The description below has links to the videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.